This is one of the best times in history to start a business. With the rise of the internet, more people than ever have access to the global marketplace. And with the right product or service, you can earn a full-time income from anywhere in the world. The opportunities are endless. And I want to share 12 lucrative online ventures with you that you can start today. Disclaimer. Every information shared in this video is for information and educational purposes only. It's only meant to bring to your knowledge and not a guarantee that you will make any money. Kindly research further. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share, and drop your comments on this video. This is one way to help grow our channel and keep content such as these coming your way. In this video, we will discuss what each of these businesses entails and how to get started. So if you're ready to find out what you can do to make money online, let's get into it. Number 1. Start an e-commerce store. E-commerce stores are a great way to make money online because they allow you to sell products without having to handle any inventory. You can start an e-commerce store by partnering with a supplier who will ship the products directly to your customers. This means you don't have to worry about storing or shipping the products yourself. There are many different platforms that you can use to start an e-commerce store. One of the most popular platforms is Shopify, which provides everything you need to create and manage your store in one place. It's easy to use and offers a variety of features to help you succeed. Shopify also integrates with various payment gateways so you can accept payments from customers around the world. In addition to setting up your store, Shopify also provides tools for marketing, analytics, and customer service so you can track your progress and make informed decisions about your business. Number 2, create and sell online courses. If you're passionate about teaching others, creating and selling online courses is a great way to make money online. With an online course, you can share your knowledge and skills with the world and earn income at the same time. To create an online course, you first need to choose a topic that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. Once you've decided on a topic, you need to develop the course content. This includes creating video lessons, quizzes, and other materials that will help your students learn. Once your course is ready, you can start selling it on various platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare. These platforms will host your course and handle all the technical aspects so you can focus on creating great content. Another option is to build your own website and sell your courses directly. This gives you more control over the pricing and marketing of your courses, but requires more work on your end. No matter which option you choose, creating and selling online courses can be a rewarding way to make money online. Number 3, become a freelancer. If you have a particular skill that you can offer to businesses, then becoming a freelancer could be a great option for you. From writing to web design and development, graphic design, social media management, and virtual assistants, there are many different skills that businesses are willing to pay for. To become a freelancer, you need to first identify the skill that you want to offer. Then you can start building your portfolio by offering your services to friends and family, or by taking on small projects on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Once you've built up a strong portfolio and have some positive reviews, you can start charging more for your services. Becoming a freelancer is a great way to make money online because it allows you to work remotely and set your own hours. Number 4, start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a great way to make money online. With the right content, you can build an audience and monetize your channel through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. To start a successful YouTube channel, you need to first find a niche that you're really interested in and that has a large enough audience. Once you've found your niche, you need to create high-quality content that will engage your viewers and keep them coming back for more. In addition to creating great content, you need to promote your channel through social media and other channels to reach a wider audience. Growing a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but with dedication and hard work, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Number 5, start a podcast. Podcasts are becoming increasingly popular, making it a great time to start your podcasting journey. With the right content and promotion, you can build an audience and monetize your podcast through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. To start a successful podcast, you need to first find a niche that you're really interested in and that has a large enough audience. Once you've found your niche, you need to create high-quality content that will engage your listeners and keep them coming back for more. In addition to creating great content, you need to promote your podcast through social media and other channels to reach a wider audience. Growing a successful podcast takes time and effort, but with dedication and hard work, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Number 6, sell digital products. Selling digital products is a great way to make money online because it allows you to create the product once and sell it an unlimited number of times. You don't have to worry about shipping or handling costs, and you can set your own prices. Some examples of digital products include ebooks, courses, templates, and website themes and plugins. To get started, you can use platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and Code Canyon to sell your digital products. These platforms already have a built-in customer base, so you won't have to spend time marketing your products. In addition, these platforms provide tools to help you manage your orders and payments so you can focus on creating great products. Number 7, offer coaching or consulting services. If you have expertise in a particular area, offering coaching or consulting services could be a great way to make money online. Businesses and individuals are always looking for expert guidance to help them improve their skills and achieve their goals. To get started, you need to first identify the area in which you have expertise. Then you can start offering your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. To attract clients, you need to build a strong profile and offer competitive rates. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can raise your rates and even offer premium packages. Number 8, write and sell an ebook. Writing and selling an ebook is a great way to make money online. With the right content, you can build an audience and generate passive income through ebook sales. To write a successful ebook, you need to first choose a topic that you're really knowledgeable about and that has a large enough audience. Once you've chosen a topic, you need to write a high-quality ebook that will engage your readers and provide them with valuable information. To sell your ebook, you can use platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, and Barnes & Noble Press. These platforms make it easy to publish and distribute your ebook to a wide audience. In addition, they provide tools to help you track your sales and earnings so you can see how your ebook is performing. Number 9, become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. They typically work with businesses and entrepreneurs to help them manage their day-to-day operations and can provide services like scheduling appointments, managing email, and providing customer service. To become a virtual assistant, you need to first identify the services that you want to offer. Then you can start promoting your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. To attract clients, you need to build a strong profile and offer competitive rates. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can raise your rates and even offer premium packages. Number 10, start a social media marketing agency. A social media marketing agency helps businesses grow their online presence and reach their target audience through various social media platforms. They typically provide services like creating and implementing social media strategies, managing social media accounts, running social media advertising campaigns, and providing analytics and reporting. To start a social media marketing agency, you need to first build your expertise in social media marketing. Then you can start offering your services to businesses in your area or online. To attract clients, you need to build a strong portfolio and offer competitive rates. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can raise your rates and even offer premium packages. Number 11. Create a membership site. A membership site is a website that provides exclusive content and resources to paying members. They can be used to share valuable information, build a community, and generate passive income. To create a membership site, you need to first identify a niche that you want to focus on. Then you can start creating content and resources that will be valuable to your target audience. You can use platforms like WordPress and WooCommerce to create your membership site and manage your members. To promote your membership site, you can use social media and other channels to drive traffic to your site and convert visitors into paying members. Number 12, sell stock photos and videos. If you're a photographer or a videographer, you can sell your work online through stock photo and video websites. These websites allow you to upload your photos and videos and set your prices. You can earn commissions on any sales without having to manage your own clients or handle the transactions. Some popular stock photo and video websites include Shutterstock, iStock Photo, and Adobe Stock. So there you have it, 12 lucrative online ventures that you can start today. With the right mindset and a willingness to learn, you can be on your way to building a successful online business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, so be patient, stay focused, and keep working towards your goals. Thanks for watching, and until next time.